Hi there, I wanted to talk about one of my favorite organizational tools, this little label maker by Subfan. I have used this around my house a ton to keep things organized, and what I love about it is easy to turn on. Just turn it on right there. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth, so you can customize the text, you can customize the font that you want, the label printed out right there. You just push, it cuts it. Perfect little label. It's just a nice little sticker. They can print pretty long as well. And then it's also really easy to change the paper. You just push down this button, open it up, you replace the paper, click it back, and you're good to go. So I really enjoyed this little label maker. If you're looking for a great organizational tool to keep around the house, it has worked great for me, and I would definitely recommend.